Hey everyone, welcome back to the brand new series on Claude Cowork. This is a 30-day masterclass series on Claude Cowork, which will cover everything from the absolute basic to the advanced concepts of the Claude Cowork and how you as a agile team member, if you're working in IT organization, in software development, a project manager, development manager, test manager, developer, tester, anyone working in the IT industry, Claude Cowork is the tool that you should definitely add to your profile. With the AI in the landscape and the productive tools coming in picture, you should master this tool to make your work more effective and efficient in your IT organization, in your IT projects. If you are into the software development, there will be more detailed examples around the software development and agile project management spaces as well. But the series will have the core components of the AI and Claude Cowork usage. So you can basically pick the details that I'm explaining here in any domain. If you're working, say, for example, in finance, in legal, you can pick the learnings from this course and definitely apply to other domains as well. Now, what exactly is Claude Cowork? So Claude Cowork is the Anthropic's agentic AI tool or platform which allows you to perform or basically automate a lot of day-to-day tasks in your project. And apart from that, it helps you to be more productive in your organization. Now, if we talk about, or if we just look at a high level, what exactly are the features of the Claude Cowork? So if you see that we have different products here, we have the Claude Code, Claude Cowork, and Claude Cowork is what we are basically talking about and will be talking about in this whole series. Now, if you see here, delegate to Claude, delight in the result, right? So you can hand off tasks, get a polished deliverable, spend less time in finding, formatting, and fixing with the Claude Cowork. So anyone, any domain, any person working in any industry will find Claude Cowork helpful. If we talk about high level, so you can schedule tasks, organize files, you can build spreadsheet, prepare reports, analyze notes, etc. And we'll see all of these with hands-on exercises. Okay. Now, on a high level, if we go ahead and see the difference between the Claude Code and Claude Cowork. So the Claude Code was more around the development or for the developers, for the development team. But Cowork is for anyone in the IT industry, could be the management, could be the testing team, could be the legal, finance. It will help you to perform the workflow automation, the process automation for the work that you usually do in your day-to-day task within the project. Okay, so now to get started with the Claude Cowork, what we need to do, we simply need to go ahead first and download the Claude on our desktop. So say for example, you are on Mac or you are on Windows. If I go ahead and click on try Claude, sorry, not there. Let me go back. Let's download the Claude desktop first. So here you will see we simply have to go ahead and click on download Claude. I'll simply go ahead and download Claude. I'm on Windows 11. If you're on Mac, you can download the specific version of it. So you'll see that download for Windows or different architecture if you have. And if you're on Mac, you will be getting the download for Mac as well. So you can download for the Mac here. Okay, and you have the iOS and Android app available as well for Claude. So I'll simply go ahead and click on download for Windows and you will get the Claude setup exe. I'll simply go ahead and click on open file and it will start the installation of Claude on our machine. The installation is absolutely simple, so we won't go into too much detail about the installation and setup. You just have to follow the steps that I am following in this video. So it will start the installation. Once download is complete, I'll simply say yes to proceed and it will install Claude. I'll just accept the necessary cookies and save the preferences, and then simply you will get this window, Claude for desktop, and we'll simply go ahead with the get started. Now what you have to do is you have to use the account. You can either use your email or continue with the Google account. So I'll simply go ahead and click on continue with Google and continue with the Google account. So I'll use my Google account. I'll simply select that and sign in into Claude. So once you continue with your Google account and sign in, you will see something like this, sign in complete, and then we can go ahead and open Claude. I'll simply click on open and it will open the Claude desktop that we have installed on our machine. I'll disable that, not to use our chats and coding sessions to train the model for the model. So I'll simply go ahead and accept, and this is the interface that you will see after you log into the Claude desktop. Now from the next tutorial, let's go ahead and understand about the Claude Cowork. We are on the free plan at the moment and we'll understand what you need to enable Claude Cowork and start working with Claude Cowork in your IT team. Thank you. See you in the next one.